YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. As you can see, still recovering from a storm. It's still wet. It's been raining. It stopped raining right now. I'm going to jump on the 530 lawn tractor and run out back into the forest, but it's pretty bad. I mean, I'm in the carport here and it's swampy. Here, let me show you something. Well, Royal King finally brought this in. I ordered it for 6 weeks ago and finally came in. It's 10 foot, oh geez, tripping over stuff. 10-foot feeder, bunk feeder. I'm going to use that here soon. I got that for the sheep for when I want to feed them alfalfa pellets and stuff, so they can just go there and not attack each other and whatnot, and not be too crazy. But we're going to jump on the 530. We're going to run back there. I'll probably turn on some music while I drive out there. It's probably going to be shaky, but let's get to it. Now this runoff you're seeing here, this comes off between my property and my neighbor's property. So that's a ditch that runs alongside of the pasture and feeds into this little creek. This is off of the neighbor's. It's a piece of pipe and it feeds off and it goes this way. Now, oh geez, falling. This kind of weaves back and forth and it goes back over there. And it goes into my other neighbors. What you can also see is a little bit, tiny ones kind of feed down. There's another one that I kind of drove over there. And then there's another one over here. That's off of my west side of the property. It's draining, but not that great. Here comes the big dumb animal. But yeah, we got a decent amount of water back here. I don't see a decent amount of trees down, so that's the negative part. But not a lot of trees down from any storms, but plenty of water. Now this little creek bed or seasonal, whatever you want to call it, drainage ditch, this is the one I pop in and out of when I'm getting wood. There's a video around here. I'll put a link there somewhere or there. I don't know, but a little card about when I got firewood. Right now I could not take the John Deere through that. It's not super deep. It's sandy, but that's the problem. It's sandy. So it will just suck me right in, especially with any kind of weight. But at this point, I am no longer on my property. This is actually the neighbor's. He's given me permission to come back here and check for down trees and take down trees. So that's why I came back. But also just to see the drainage, because it is coming off of my property line too, and his, making sure it's draining properly, which is doing all right. But I know that I need to get a mini excavator or backhoe in there and get the ditch redug. I need to get rid of all the silt and the garbage and all that, and get the ability to hold more volume and not flood out the pasture. Phone call came in to clear the pasture from being flooded out. But hey, it's a little trip out here. I'm going to take a trip over there. We'll see what's going on. Alright, so I guess you should get the gist of it. It's pretty high. It needs to be scooped out. It's run pretty flat. So I'll see you again. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Ring the notification bell. And leave a comment. Yeah, leave a comment. That'd really help out. Thanks to all the new subscribers, and I'll see you again here at the Chicken Ranch Homestead.